abusuafo ma me chia obi bia bra Jofak Media na me gidi so ba da da mo bia ho ye we dey mputu breaking news ana Jofak Media ye de bre ye manfo a omutie Jofak Media abusuafo eye yewura deputy attorney general ababontin ababe kasa na yewura deputy attorney general kasa no wode areho ne yaw ene bre ana wode kasa ye ena okokopie mu ewo Joy News na nsema at deputy attorney general edikoko tudwa no abusua esewani ensese ka kirew ye aka nyina ye say from day one ye de chama wuntumi ekọ prison concerning some boy cases no ebe pim nne ono deputy attorney general one yewura attorney general Dominic Akorotenge ayene omo na de omo ka nyina ye say omo se threat ahodo a ebom so no enye bete ana yebeku ene yebeye osei ene yebeye sem kaya munyina munim sem na no ye papa wusu bempa enso betoto mane MPP for on the name of self on so I receive threat messages and so feketo I receive threat messages and ni nia ba wo kuma se enso I receive threat messages na they say the MPP for na kwakoye say threatening messages nkwa no mo be den on be send amanfo a wo be bowro makache akoka annuama e form ho bia no se si a chama wuntumi eda prison no attorney general ene ne deputy yes threat a bomb so no abusuafo enya de ketwa mele mo kata se me ba be deputy attorney general ne video na mo nyina ma hwe the kind of threat a o se e bar so what is say amene mo kasa ekura no eye two witnesses a omo ba court ebe di man state na omo ania ma chamba wutumi ne kura no e wose ye pe security e ma omo e wose ye pe asoja fo na police fo bebo sankrofo mienu no ho ban because threat an hodo a e ko omo so no se MPP fo nya omo na o me ko omo free wiase abusua eno so free wa yewura deputy attorney general asa ba be kiremu die ntia yewura chama wutumi ne na lawyer fo omo de play back game eko na court say eka Exim Bank no omo be fa kwan bi so no matua na ngakra de ntia yewura Dominic Ayine Akorotenge wanya ntumu no ni nyina deputy attorney general Elin Kiremu aba abusuafo mempese meye ne tentena meka le bebre nti no mama yanko na yanko tie deputy attorney general emra na o kiremu o ka che threat ahodo obaba no so at the same time de ntia chama wutumi play back game no o ma nyia ntumu no ni nyina wode atudwa mama yanko na yanko tie no na ansa na yebekwa akotie deputy attorney general emra o ka ne threat no ne Exim Bank won sensem no na me kwaso aka kiremu sem eye yewura Osman Abdullahi Nabali for regional organizer ama NDC amanyu koto papa no ewo Asante Mantamwa enti emre so na atu ahene na si ahene for all the 47 constituencies in Asante region akoto aba ya to aba na yewura Osman Abdullahi Nabali na omeye regional organizer ema NDC amanyu koto because abrante wa Brahma NDC papa saasu na yewura ochiami Kofi Edu be mani monyamfo ahofefo tipicita also for deputy organizer enti emere so na atu ahene na asi ahene fo wa Asante Mantamwa akoto aba ye to ama yewura Nabali no aba be ye regional organizer no na ye to ama yewura ochiami Kofi Edu no so aba be ye deputy regional organizer ama NDC amanyuku abusu amom yakọ na yenkotie deputy Attorney General Emra.
So the thing about appeal is that it is the appellant's job to fast track appeals. So appeals work in two ways. If I am the appellant in this case and I'm the accused person's lawyer or the convict's lawyer, I will do everything to fast track the appeal because these are the timelines. Once you file your appeal, the first thing you do is to compile records of appeal from the lower courts, and then you forward it to the appellate court. That is entirely in your hands. If you want to wait for 2 months to compile it, because the registries, they don't go on vacation, so they can compile it anytime for you. So depending on how you fast track that, your appeal will end up in the court of appeal sooner than anybody would think. And then when is there are timelines. Once there's something called Form 6, or that's a civil case, but in criminal there's no such there's a different process. But you go to the court summons you come there, and then they give you timelines, and usually it's just 21 days for you, the appellant, to file your address. You can file it on day 1 instead of waiting for the 21 days. You can file it on day 1 and serve it on your other party. The respondent has 21 days from the day of service. So if you want it fast, you can file it on the
Have you been served that?
No.
You've not been served.
The record is not even in the Court of Appeal.
Okay.
As far as we know, nobody has, the record is not before the Court of Appeal. So what another side of the case is that if you secure, it's like a client who secures an injunction and then goes to sleep. So you are building on my land or on a land that is in dispute, and I go for an injunction against you. I know deep down that I don't have, title, but I just want to frustrate you. Once I get an injunction, I go to sleep. And then the injunction is working against you while I sit down and cross my legs. So it's possible that you can get bail pending appeal, and you will refuse to move forward appeal, and the record will stay in the High Court, he's on bail. And then it delays the process. So appeals could actually be fast-tracked depending on the council's interest.
So you're saying you're waiting for Wontumi to fast-track his own process as far as the hearing of the appeal matter is concerned?
No,
it's entirely in his hands. And you haven't been served yet with the...
No, it's only when we accept that we take a step. So we will sit down and wait for them to. If they do it today, the court will even give us a period within which to respond. And we cannot even drag it. Because if you don't respond, the effect is that the court will decide the case without your response.
I mean, out of the court, and this is just, by the way, he's also been rendering apologies, to the president, and, appealing to the president to intervene, and that if he's wronged him in the past, he's sorry, his aides have been saying it. Does that count for anything?
I think there is a certain culture which I find disturbing. People still behave or don't believe that the judiciary is not under the control of the executive. That is what informs such, things as apology. So you have been charged with specific offenses. The judiciary has heard you, they convicted you. You have maintained throughout the trial that you are innocent. You have even filed an appeal. Now, I'm not saying don't apologize to people that you believe you have wronged, but if the apology is engineered to secure an overturning of a court's decision, then what you are doing or suggesting is that the president has power to actually cause the courts to decide one way or the other.
Or pardon him, maybe.
Fine, pardon, but I don't think pardon has a process. People don't see the process for pardon.
Deputy Attorney General and Yakokotin in Kano said threat I would wear bans for no day. Salsona Yura Chama would to me pre bagenu and also Omanian Tumuno or the Enchrimu Ayade Eddie Abba. Now Abusian for Niako Ewo Ghana Samria Menamo Kase. No. It is a motive say Yura Chama would to me and Tribus Yakon, former Asante Regional Chairman. Samoti say ne play bargain on SM Bank sika okwaje 300 billion no and what bargain no play bargain say ya anya ntuma eno na Deputy Attorney General edi nchiremu ayedem ababa no at the same time wasanso ababa chiremu say eye mrantie mienu a omukokodi adanse e ma aban no on Samra boy wutumi galamse issue no omonso e was a Ghana aban after security ema omubo mrantie mienu ho ban because threats ahodo a e kom mrantie no so no anu odin emu odam ehu na ye bisa say MPP for enti si amopa akire say so obi di amamboy sem obi di awudi sem obi ye amambo abufu sem na say Ghana ban ensa so na we ye MPP ni ti ye nja no ana because there are certain things be amo ya ye dwene ho a ye ntiase mo mo ni me se chama wutumi MPP mpelifu ankasa ni me se papa no nyoma bi a wo ye na antwa yi ankoye ana ye twe na so na se a threat a wodro na ye beku na ye be yese na ye be pra na ye be hye ka na ye be hye ofie no eno no mukosua frien emre bi atwa mu amuchi yewura chachuchi kata emre bi atwa mu amuchi yewura Victor Salome emre bi atwa mu amuchi NDC from penny from bebre no what is say MPP force NDC force and threatening messages ekoma Attorney General ene na be di akire what is say am send threatening messages ekoma ajaji fo na lawyer fo na monyai na mo ya hirodo se se ya na mbekọ ne dia ene opposition no obetena wache aha Edwofak Media osofo na Gemfi faculty subscribe like share na afoforo enya bi enfe notification bell no fansa bot so de be ya any update bia you gotta be the first person to have it abusuafo makramo.
Welcome to Edwofak Media, hear it loud and clear. Break breaking news. Truth is what we hold dear. Ghana's newest voice, rising to the top. With facts we confirm, no chance we flop. Headlines, analysis, real interviews. We dig deep, we don't just break the news. Authentic, bold, we pass the test. Joe Fact Media.